I think it's important to understand where we came from in the past in crypto, where we are in the present in crypto, and where we could possibly go in the future of crypto. It's your boy Crypto Millie. In today's video, I'll be pointing out a few reasons why I'm bullish on crypto, what crypto can do better to push mass adoption, and a few family key points of interest that I personally think people are missing out as we see adoption really before our eyes. So if you like videos like this, stick to the end. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out the links in the descriptions. Engage with the video. It really helps with the algorithms. And leave a comment. Let me know in the comments when you think the next bull run will commence. All right, so let's get straight into it. All right, you know what I'm saying? Crypto, it's a little bit of pain, okay? This is the days that we actually appreciate. Not a moon boy. I'm not here to, tell you, oh, this is going that. No, I want to focus on this video with crypto adoption, and I told you guys I'll be working to deliver even more alpha as I up my research here on cryptocurrency. Now, if you've been following me on Twitter, make sure you follow me on Twitter, Crypto Millies at Soap Guys TV. I said, what do you think will happen in crypto when large institutions, mutual funds, pension funds, and insurance companies enter the market? I believe they are quietly loading up. Look at BlackRock. We seen BlackRock, talk about tokenization. Larry Fink. We seen BlackRock, who pretty much owns everything, sit at the governance council, Hedera, and even Tesla, the whole Tesla Bitcoin situation. We've seen different institutions and successful companies get into cryptocurrency just for beginners, and this currently, family, is where we at. We came from the Bitcoin developer era to now we're in the financial advisors, private bankers area, but we have yet to see that institutional money pour into crypto, though I personally believe they're already quietly stocking up. I know a lot of stuff happens over the counter, OTC. Not a lot of people are familiar with that term. Let me know if you want me to do a video on that. But these, family, are a few things that's actually stopping the crypto adoption. First and foremost, complexity. Crypto needs to be more user-friendly and accessible to overcome the steep learning curve and technical jargon. I talked about that in the last video, how even the average person that's been in crypto for the last 2 years still doesn't know how to interact with DeFi, the swaps, being able to send crypto here, there, different wallets. People still don't understand that, and it kind of like kills the potential of their portfolio because you want to get into things early. 2, trust and security. Scams, hacks, market volatility undermine trust. Establishing a safer and more regulated environment is crucial, which is true because the scamming is an all-time high. I've been scammed. My community has been scammed. I can't stand scammers, you feel me? Me personally, I just want to generally work with developers that have high character and integrity and want to build something special. You want to build stuff where people can be proud of, and me personally, not seeing it in cryptocurrency. 3, real world value. Cryptocurrencies must prove tangible benefits beyond speculations to gain mainstream adoption. We already know that, man. We need utility and use case. But right now, the most important thing about crypto is hype and community. And most people think that's not going to change anytime soon. 4, trust issues. Building trust through enhanced security measures, reliable customer support, and transparency is essential for wider acceptance. And I must say, customer support on cryptocurrency absolutely is suck. It's shit. Even with these exchanges, like the customer support is like you're talking to a bot. You know what I mean? Nobody wants to deal with that. People want to interact with real humans. I know AI is taking over. In fact, I just watched the AI movie. I forgot the name of it. It was crazy, but I don't even want to get into it. But it really tells me that, AI could be dangerous in the future. AI taking over the world. But there's a few narratives that I think that could push crypto adoption. And again, follow me on Twitter here, Soap Guys TV Millie. And you can see Web3 games to attract serious gamers. The analyst was also optimistic about Web3. But this is the thing that kind of like caught my attention, noting that there are 3 billion gamers in the world, 200 million of which are serious, representing 200 to 300 billion in the total addressable market. So if you look at the gaming market, man, it's not even top 5 in crypto. So we still got a long way to go. And when you hear huge games like Rockstar, GTA, Grand Theft Auto 6, Grand Theft Auto 6 saying, oh, we want to make our game play to earn, you got to expect stuff like Activision to follow the same route as Web3 games start to become more popular, because gamers now know that they can have the ability to own everything within the game, have ownership of their skins, have ownership, earn real USD. Not playing the game per se for cryptocurrency purposes, but playing the game where you turn your hobby into a career. If you don't know, gaming is something that's been helping a lot of third world countries because people make a lot of money gaming. So again, I think gaming will also bring a lot of people into cryptocurrency. Also, you want to pay attention to some of the some of the investors from a corporate level and see how they personally feel on crypto. Now, as you can see right here, we're kind of lacking when it comes to the retired folks, like pension DB plan. Only 5% of those people buy crypto. So yeah, your grandmother and your grandfather they're not interested in crypto. It'd be crazy if we can get like the boomers to interest. I just don't see it happen. I mean, look at Warren Buffett, ENF, same thing, traditional hedge funds. But now we have like family offices, dental offices, they're into crypto. As you can see, 37%. We know a lot of the health sector is starting to use the blockchain data to track blockchain technology to track data. Financial advisors, 73% of them interact with crypto and or have bought crypto. Then you got the high net worth investors, right? The people that's already millionaires and billionaires that's starting to interact with crypto. In fact, 82% of those type of people interact with crypto. That's insane, family. So that right there tells you that crypto adoption is happening and crypto assets are becoming extremely profitable. And of course, we got the crypto hedge funds, the VC funds. Of course, 87% of those individuals interact with crypto, because they start these crypto projects. They have these huge VC these crypto projects have these huge VC backings, and in some cases, man, it's just a money grab. Let's just be honest with that. We want to start to see more transparency from these VC funds. Another narrative that I think that could help out crypto is tokenization. For instance, corporate real estate. I've done plethora of different videos talking about projects that actually work on this, but think about it, family. Now, back in the day, in order for you to actually, invest into a corporate building, you have to have millions, thousands, and millions of dollars. Now you can fractionalize that, go in with a team of investors and really start to build a portfolio in the corporate world as far as corporate real estate, thanks to tokenization. And we're seeing that from projects like LCX, Galileo Protocol, and even Polygon. Polygon is one of those projects that's also working on tokenization through stuff like Nike, et cetera, and even tokenizing IP brands. So tokenizing IP brands address involves converting the IP address into a unique token while maintaining its association with the brand. For example, Nike could tokenize IP addresses collected from their online services to protect privacy. This process replaces IP addresses with randomly generated tokens, allowing Nike to track user behavior and offer personalized experiences without directly identifying individuals. So just imagine your J's, your Jordans being tokenized, you know what I'm saying? Able to, put your Nikes out there and fractionalize them and tokenize them. You got some Jordans or some Kobe's that's signed by Kobe. I mean, tokenizing an IP address for a brand could be huge, family, when dealing with stuff like that. Signed jerseys, a familiar different things that you for instance, I got a bat in my room, back room, a bat that's signed by a professional baseball player. You feel me? I can possibly tokenize that in the future if that was something I was interested in. So this alignment is bullish for cryptocurrencies, as tokenization demonstrates the value and importance of secure, privacy-focused systems that can be facilitated by the blockchain. So blockchain technology is the future, family. It's more trustworthy. It removes human error. I mean, look at the project Demetria, how they're farmers are starting to use AI to collect their data, to understand what the weather is, to make better crops through using artificial intelligence and IoTs, Internet of Things. So this is the future, family. I'm telling you, this is the future. Cryptocurrency is going to be huge for AI. People don't understand how huge cryptocurrency is going to be for AI. And of course, now you got central banks starting to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum as possible world reserves. Okay, we know Bitcoin could possibly be a world reserve, as other countries look to buy into cryptocurrency and stay away from the United States Treasury bills in order to weaken the US dollar. If you don't know, that's why you got BRICS and all these countries coming up and creating their own currencies, in some cases investing into Bitcoin in order to weaken the US dollar. But the fact that you got central banks, they say even a small central bank allocation to BTC or ETH would be material and would likely lead to other exporting states following suit. We seen El Salvador do it. We see Nigeria do it with Bitcoin. But just imagine a country coming out there and say, oh, we want to use Ethereum as a world reserve asset. That would be insane. And that's one of the reasons I think people are sleeping on Ethereum, because it's the tokenomics to Ethereum these days are goated. It's hella deflationary, and we could see Ethereum north of $40,000-$50,000 if a country came out and said, well, Ethereum is our world reserve. And that's further the reason why I'm bullish on projects like Jasmy, Hedera. I'm not going to get into too much why. Y'all should know, watch the videos. And even stuff like XRP. Let me know in the chat if you want me to cover more XRP, because XRP, man, I'm rooting for XRP actually to win that case. I think it's something that we need for cryptocurrency. In fact, this is why I think that they could possibly win that case, is because we got a new bill that was introduced by the US Senate that would make commodity futures trading commissions the direct regulator of the biggest cryptocurrencies. And this is what people want. They don't want these cryptocurrencies to be securities. Like, nobody wants Mr. Gary Gensler at the top running cryptocurrency. It would be absolutely terrible. And in fact, I think that the US understands that in order for them to compete with China, as China just rolled out this new regulation for cryptocurrency and looking to control cryptocurrency, and that would be huge for China because it could possibly put them in the lead as far as technology. I think the US, they starting to get it, like, maybe we need to go ahead and drop this regulation and compliance for cryptocurrency so we can stay in the lead. And you'll start to see projects like Quant, Cosmos, who offer that interoperability to excel, because we need a bridge between traditional markets and cryptocurrency markets. So y'all let me know what y'all think about crypto adoption. Where are we at in crypto adoption? Do you think that Bitcoin could possibly be 200,000 by 2025? Let me know in the comments. This is why I continue to be bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum and in crypto entirely, because I see the adoption happen between our eyes. Just look at all the partnerships from Chainlink, Hedera, quiet partnerships, the elite families joining the Hedera Governance Council. I was watching a video on Paul Barron's network, and they had one of the guys from Hedera, Swish one of Swish Labs or something like that, and he was talking how the plan in the next couple of months is to fill the governance council, which means they're already in negotiations, family, with they're already in negotiations with other companies about joining the Hedera council, man. And it's so many big names that could possibly join the council. Think about Tesla. Think about, if Tesla joined the Hedera governance council, that would be huge. You feel me? BlackRock or something like that. That would be crazy. And we're seeing the elite families actually join these council. I did a video on it. Make sure you guys go check it out. I'll probably put it at the end of the video, probably in the right hand and left hand corner. But also, man, think about the Kusamas and the Polkadots that continue to develop at a high level. You got Cardano, where everybody quietly has been loading up on Cardano tokens. So this is huge. And again, Ethereum, I think, will be the face of crypto because of its use case, because everything currently right now is built on Ethereum. Even though I'm bullish on Hedera, I understand how huge Ethereum is. So y'all let me know what y'all think about altcoins, crypto. Where are we at with massive adoption? Are we getting there, or is crypto dying? I want to know you guys' honest opinions and comments. Interact with the links. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.